This Homwe Panze campaign is an absolutely genius campaign. I'm walking down the streets of Harare here, and literally almost everyone I pass is saying, "Oh, but your pockets are out. Your pockets are out. What's going on here?" Then I explain to them, no, this is deliberate. This is this is a campaign, the Homwe Panze campaign. Then I ask them, are you able to get access to your money? They say no. Are you happy about it? They say no. So then what? You must join the Homwe Panze campaign, right? Because enough is enough, right? There's no reason that our country should be the way that it is, but it's just because unscrupulous people believe that they're better than the rest of us. They should be able to get the access to cash to buy their cars when the rest of us can't. So come, citizens, let's join together. This is an absolutely genius campaign. I must have spoken to about 30 people just in a short walk down the road here. People are excited, people are interested, people are talking. That's the important thing. We got to start talking about these things. And the state gets terrified, even for a silly thing like just pulling out your pockets. They raided the offices of the Amalgamated Rural Teachers Union today. I mean, that's just ridiculous. It shows the kind of police state that we're in. But there's nothing they can do to an ordinary citizen. I'm walking around and I haven't been harassed by anyone because, there's nothing illegal about keeping your pockets out, right? So, citizens, come, let's get involved. Let's join the Homwe Panze campaign. All right, out.